Chiliz is a computerized cache for tokenizing sports and diversion. This is a blockchain innovation that permits you to make items for common customers. Chiliz was made by the Socios.com stage to permit fans to communicate all the more effectively with their number one groups. Digital currency gives fans the option to cast a ballot and the potential chance to take part in decision production for associations that join the Socios.com stage. What's the deal with the Chiliz digital currency cost? Find out in Chiliz cost expectation for 2020 to 2025. Essential worth. Fan tokens are an authority crypto token that contains the marking of member sports groups. With the assistance of tokens, fans get the option to cast a ballot and the chance to partake in navigation in regards to their number one groups. You can purchase fan tokens utilizing Chiliz tokens. Fans get extra pay through tokenization. Likewise, all groups that interface with the Socios.com stage get a level of the commission charged for exchanges. The initial two groups tokenized on the stage were the Paris Holy Person Germain and Juventus football clubs. Then some more joined. West Ham joined together, Asociazione Sportiva Roma, Club Atlético de Madrid, as well as the Aga Sports Group. Ownership of one-of-a-kind marked accomplice club fan tokens will likewise give fans admittance to selective substance. Gamification, social associations, and list of competitors includes that will be sent off during 2020. Chiliz is centered around genuine games as well as on virtual. The stage will turn into the foundation of the Worldwide Player Association. The GPL is a fan-driven, universally versatile esports association, made for the present gaming and esports people group, fueled by the Chiliz token. Casting a ballot rights bought for tokens are carried out utilizing brilliant agreements that permit direct cooperation between GPL groups and their fans. Chiliz value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Chiliz costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Chiliz will be 18 cents. The most extreme level that the CHZ cost can reach is 22 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 18 cents. Likely return for money invested. 64.3% by CHZ value estimate for January 2023 in light of the value variances of Chiliz toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 13 cents in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 12 cents and at 14 cents. Separately, expected return for money invested. 7.1% by February 2023. Chiliz value conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the CHZ cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 13 cents, while the greatest could reach 14 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around 14 cents. Expected return on initial capital investment. 7.1% by CHZ value conjecture for WALC 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value changes of Chiliz in 2022 and in earlier years. So the normal CHZ rate they anticipate may be around 14 cents in WALC 2023. It can drop to 13 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 15 cents. Possible return for money invested. 14.3% by April 2023. Chiliz value estimate around mid-year 2022. The CHZ cost will be exchanged at 14 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Chiliz worth to 16 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 14 cents in April 2023. Possible return for capital invested. 21.4% by CHZ value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Chiliz costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 15 cents. The most reduced and top CHZ rates may be 14 cents and 16 cents. Likely return for capital invested. 21.4% by June 2023. Chiliz value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the CHZ cost will be around 15 cents. In June 2023, the Chiliz cost might drop to at least 15 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 17 cents in June 2023. Possible return for money invested. 28.6% by CHZ value figure for July 2023. Having dissected Chiliz costs, digital currency specialists expect that the CHZ rate could arrive at a limit of 18 cents in July 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 15 cents. For July 2023, the gauge normal of Chiliz is almost 16 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment. 35.7% by August 2023. Chiliz value estimate around mid-2022. The Chiliz cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 16 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the CHZ cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 16 cents and 19 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment. 42.8% by CHZ Value Conjecture for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Chiliz worth won't dip under at least 16 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is 19 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 17 cents. Likely return for money invested. 42.8% by October 2023. Chiliz Value Estimate. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of CHZ costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Chiliz will be around 20 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 16 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 17 cents. Likely return for money invested. 50% by CHZ Value Gauge for November 2023. In light of the value variances of Chiliz toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 18 cents in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 17 cents and at 21 cents individually. Likely return for money invested. 57.1% by December 2023. Chiliz Value Conjecture. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the CHZ cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 18 cents, while the greatest could reach 22 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around 18 cents. Expected return for money invested. 64.3% by Chiliz Value Expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Chiliz in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Chiliz will be around 26 cents. The most extreme expected CHZ cost might be around 31 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 26 cents in 2024. Chiliz Value Forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Chiliz in 2025, CHZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 40 cents and 46 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 41 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Chiliz and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base CHZ cost could drop to 61 cents, while its most extreme can reach 70 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 63 cents. Chiliz Value Forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Chiliz by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least CHZ costs are normal in 2027, $1.08 and 88 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 91 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Chiliz. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical CHZ cost will be around $1.36. It could drop to at least $1.32, yet it actually could reach $1.55 all through 2028. Chiliz Value Expectation 2029. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Chiliz. It is assessed that CHZ will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.89 and $2.31 in 2029.